I'm not going to lie, this video was supposed to look very different. I recorded everything in Ghana on my main camera. Everything I experienced in Ghana, but unfortunately everything was gone on my camera. Unfortunately, I lost every single thing that I recorded on the camera. All of it. I tried recovery software. I tried everything, but it was all gone. At first, I was frustrated because as content creators, we think the quality of the camera is what makes the story powerful. But then I realized the experience is still here and I still have the footage I recorded on my phone. So this isn't just the polished version. This is the real one. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to use the footage I have on my phone. I'll just resize it and I just hope you enjoy it. Welcome to Ghana. First of all, Ghana is a country located in West Africa and it has a population of around 35 million. And it's one of the few West African countries that is English speaking, and it's a very beautiful country. Let's get into it. So this is the baggage claim area. After that you have where you can change cash right there. I'll just change. I got Ghanaian cedis. Here it is. So let's go right there. I just arrived in Accra, Ghana, and first impressions, this country is very organized. Like everything was smooth at the airport. I would say it's one of the smoothest airports I've ever passed through. So can't wait to explore more of this beautiful country of Ghana. This right here is the Black Star Square here in Accra, Ghana, and it has a date on it right there, 1957, and that date was the date when Ghana gained independence. And just in case you don't know, Ghana is one of the first countries in Sub-Saharan Africa to gain independence, and that's why that date right there is important to Ghana and also Africa. Oh, wow, what is he selling? Hello, how are you? Good? How much is one? Huh?
15 cedi.
Can I get one? I've been seeing it here a lot in Ghana, so I have to try it now. Thank you. Inside? Oh, okay.
And one more.
Okay. Okay. Just like that. It's very good. This is good. I'm trying to eat the thing inside, but I don't know. It doesn't taste like coconut. There you go. So I took two and I paid 30 cedis, which is 15 cedis each. So if you come to Ghana, you have to try the Ghanaian coconut. You'll love it. What is he selling? What is this? Beef? Okay, and this one? Okay, what about this? The sausage, yeah? Okay, how much is this one and this one? Huh? Okay, this one 10 and each 10, anyone? Okay, can I get one this beef and then one from here? Huh?
Sausage.
Okay.
Yes.
Maybe next time, yeah?
Okay, one sausage.
It's my first time trying it.
Really?
Why don't you let me try it first?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, then today you buy me one sausage. I'll add it. Okay.
Okay.
As if I'm going to do money. Your friend is
Huh?
here.
I don't even know him. He just randomly popped up.
Okay, let me do it for you.
No, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah. This right here is beautiful. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with this one. Not very hot.
You put my own for on top.
1 minute, wait. Wait.
Okay.
Very good. That's very good. Like very, very good. You definitely should try this when you come to Ghana. This is very savory. Very good. Oh my God. And all this is just 30 cedis. So here you go. Right now I am right here in the most beautiful mosque here in Ghana, and you can see how beautiful it is. Like, this is not in Turkey or like anywhere, it's right here in Ghana, here in Africa, and you can see how beautiful it is. And stepping into this mosque, like, you get the feeling that this mosque is very huge. Just look at that. This place is so beautiful. And I know you're wondering why that flag is right there, the Turkish flag, and that is because Turkey built this mosque for Ghana, so which is why there is the Turkish flag right there. And the Muslim population here is around 20% of the total population of Ghana, which is not much, but it's amazing, like seeing this mosque right here. It's beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. And also right beside the mosque, you have a school here, which I think is a senior high school. Yes, it's right there, senior high school, and also a girls, I don't know, SHS. Let me show you what a mall here in Ghana looks like. Here is Accra mall right here, and it's a very massive mall. And so here in Ghana you have really nice malls like this one's right here. This mall right here is called Accra Mall, and it's massive. and beautiful. Like you even have international brands right here. And you also have an authorized dealer for Apple right here. Oh wow, this is amazing. They really have like high quality stuff right here. I'm really shocked. Wow, amazing. Okay, so let me show you what the prices are like here in Ghana. So right here you have some biscuits right here, and it's 5.99 cedis, almost 6 cedis, which is like 60 cents. And you have some eggs right here, which is 39 cedis, which is around $4. Not up to, but around $4. And to get a towel like this right here, it's 70 cedis, 69.99. So which is around almost $7 as well. And to get a bottle of Coca-Cola is 6 cedis, which is like 50 cents. So if you're in Ghana and you're looking for a really like cozy place to hang out, you can definitely come to this mall right here, Accra Mall. As an African, traveling within Africa has always been on the back of my mind. We grow up hearing stories about Europe, America, but we rarely explore our own continent first. I've seen so many amazing things in Ghana. Ghanaians are some of the most educated people I've seen, and most of the people I met were very nice, and that really made me enjoy my stay in Ghana. Another thing I liked about Ghana is the food. The food in Ghana is amazing. I really loved it. This food right here, this jollof rice, it's so good. I swear to God, it's so good. Especially this sauce, with this sauce, this dark sauce right here. It's so good. We call it shito. Oh my God. Oh, you call it what? Shito. Shito. Okay. My Ghanaian friend said they call it shito. Shito. This shito is very good. It's from shatta in Arabic, yeah? Okay. There you go. And so everything we had here, the jollof rice and the strawberry juice right here, both of them, it all came out to 165 right here. Even though as a Nigerian, we have a lot in common with Ghana when it comes to the food and culture and so on, but the food in Ghana is different. Like, it's amazing. I really loved the food in Ghana, I would admit that. And to round this up, I lost my cinematic footage, but maybe this version is even better, less perfect and more honest. Ghana wasn't just a trip, it was a reminder that Africa is not one story, and I'm going to keep telling it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.